Welcome to VueX, y'all. Get ready to say aloha to paradise because today we're diving headfirst into the sparkling waters of the South Pacific. We're talking hidden beaches, secret lagoons, and enough natural beauty to make your jaw drop. So, grab your sunscreen, your sense of adventure, and maybe a lei or two, because things are about to get seriously tropical. First up, we're whisked away to the stunning island nation of Tuvalu. Getting here might take a bit of effort, but it's worth every single coconut you'll sip on. Once you've landed, you'll be greeted with the warmest smiles and the bluest water you've ever seen. Delicious seafood meals for just a few dollars, and cozy accommodations that won't break the bank. The best time to visit? Aim for the dry season between May and October. Think light, breathable clothing, a swimsuit, and a hat to protect you from those glorious rays. Next up, we're setting sail for Mystery Island, a tiny uninhabited island in Vanuatu. To reach this hidden gem, hop on a cruise or charter a boat from the nearby island of Anadium. Imagine cruising through crystal clear waters, the wind in your hair, and the anticipation building with every nautical mile. Once you step foot on Mystery Island, you'll understand why they call it mystery. Pristine beaches, swaying palm trees, and the most vibrant coral reefs you've ever seen. It's like stepping back in time to a world untouched by time. Often, you can have this entire island paradise all to yourself. Now, get ready to be wowed because we're heading to the Yasawa Islands in Fiji. Think towering volcanic peaks, lush rainforests, and beaches that stretch on for days. You can catch a ferry from Viti Levu or hop on a seaplane for a stylish arrival. Look for locally owned guest houses and homestays for a more authentic Fijian experience. The best time to visit? Anytime. But aim for the shoulder seasons of April to May or October to November to avoid the crowds. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to land in one of the most stunning lagoons on the planet. Aitutaki Lagoon in the Cook Islands. Imagine a giant turquoise swimming pool surrounded by tiny islands, each one more idyllic than the last. Getting to Aitutaki is a breeze with direct flights from Rarotonga. The best way to experience Aitutaki Lagoon is by boat. Hire a local guide to take you island hopping, snorkeling, or even swimming with giant clams. When it comes to packing, think island vibes all the way. Swimsuits, sarongs, and loose-fitting clothing are your best bet. Get ready for an adventure, because we're about to get up close and personal with a real-life active volcano on Tanna Island, Vanuatu. To reach Tanna Island, catch a short flight from Port Vila. Think black sand beaches, lush rainforests, and of course, the star of the show, Mount Yasur. Hiking up to the crater of Mount Yasur is an absolute must-do. Just imagine standing on the edge of a volcano, watching as molten lava shoots up into the sky. Hiking boots are a must for exploring the volcano, and don't forget a light jacket for the summit. Get ready for an unforgettable wildlife encounter, because we're heading to the Ha'apai group in Tonga, one of the few places in the world where you can swim with humpback whales. To reach the Ha'apai group, catch a flight from Nuku'alofa. Every year, from July to October, humpback whales migrate to the warm waters of Tonga to breed and give birth. Imagine gliding alongside a 40-ton whale, hearing its haunting songs echoing through the water. A rash guard is a good idea for swimming with whales, and don't forget your underwater camera. Get ready to be transported to a tropical paradise, because we're heading to the Isle of Pines in New Caledonia. To reach the Isle of Pines, catch a short flight from Noumea. Think towering pine trees, white sand beaches, and lagoons so blue, they'll make your heart skip a beat. One of the must-do activities is visiting the natural swimming pool, Piscine Naturelle. Imagine swimming in a crystal-clear pool surrounded by coral reefs, with colorful fish darting all around you. Flowy dresses, sandals, and a sun hat are perfect for exploring the island. Well, folks, there you have it. 7 hidden gems of the South Pacific that will leave you breathless. From tiny islands with big hearts to active volcanoes and swimming with whales, the South Pacific has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your adventure today. Comment below if you'd like a different country to be explored for its hidden gems. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.